Every second counts. We are the heroes into the fire. Sinotruk Howo 8x4 fire truck, powered by MAN 460 HP Euro VI engine, 12-speed transmission, 8x4 all-terrain chassis, 15 cubic meters water tank, 3 cubic meters foam tank, intelligent fire monitor, built to save lives. Sinotruk Howo escorting life.